The 1st Arkansas Light Artillery Battery, African descent, was an artillery battery that served in the Union Army during the American Civil War. The regiment was composed of African-American enlisted men commanded by white officers and was authorized by the Bureau of Colored Troops, which was created by the United States War Department on May 22, 1863. Organization. The battery was organized at Pine Bluff, Arkansas, on June 4, 1864. Then unit was redesignated as Battery H. 2nd U.S. Colored Light Artillery on December 13, 1864. Mustered out on August 10, 1865. Service. The battery was assigned to garrison duty at Pine Bluff, Ark. 7th Army Corps, Department of Arkansas, till December 1864. The battery saw action at Pryor Creek on September 18, 1864. The battery was involved in the expedition to Mount Elba, Ark, and the skirmish at Saline River, January 22 to February 4, 1865. Mustered out of service. Mustered out on August 10, 1865. See also. Book. Arkansas Civil War Union Units. List of Arkansas Civil War Union Units. List of United States Colored Troops Civil War Units. United States Colored Troops, Arkansas in the American Civil War. Notes. Dyer, Frederick H. 1959. A Compendium of the War of the Rebellion. Sagamore Press, Inc. Thomas Yosloff. Publisher. New York. LCCN 59-12963. The Civil War Archive. Encyclopedia of Arkansas History. Edward G. Gerder's Civil War homepage. The War of the Rebellion. A compilation of the official records of the Union and Confederate armies. The Arkansas History Commission. State Archives. Civil War in Arkansas. This article incorporates public domain material from the United States government document, Civil War Soldiers and Sailors System. National Park Service.